Hello there, my name is Joshua Salako, and today I will be discussing about Microsoft Visio, Microsoft Visual Studio, and we'll be designing a basic electrical circuit diagram. So this diagram in particular, so we just have a cell, resistor, earth, and a current source. So this is what we'll be designing, exactly this, but we can actually just change this resistor symbols. It's kind of old. Let's use the latest resistor symbol. So let's get to it. So at first, Microsoft Visual is used to design diagram, basic diagram, for instance flow charts, maps and flow, just as we have it here. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be talking about electrical circuit, basic electrical circuit. So we pick this template, is it electrical template, and we create. So why are you taking long? Now this is the home. um, this is what you get once you launch the app and you click on the template. Here we have the shapes, call them stylus. We have fundamental shapes where you can find all needed stuff: resistor, capacitor, DC cells, AC cells, everything, to semiconductor, to switches, qualifying symbols, any kind of stuff needed. So we find everything here. So that's for the stuff, and I want to change this um, the orientation of this page to a landscape page, and let me zoom it in. So now if you consider this circuit diagram, it has a voltage battery, voltage source, positive and negative polarity, and a current source, positive and negative polarity. So we need the battery, a current source, and four resistor, also a um, 8. So now let's get to it. All we just need to do is the drag and drop. Let's search for battery, battery or cell. Now we have this battery, we need the multi-cell battery, then we drag and drop. We need to stand, yeah. Then we also need an AC source, drag and drop. Then we need resistors, 4 resistors. We duplicate them, and lastly we need an earth, or as it is here, ground. So while it is loading, okay, ground, drag and drop to. So let us arrange them based on what's here. 2 straight and 2 down here. We want this to be upright, this too. Yeah, so let's spread it out. So all we just need to do is just align everything that we have the way we want it to be. So now, having done that, the next thing to do is for us, let me zoom it in. Now let's name this, give it its symbols. So we have 2 ohms, 4 ohms, 10 ohms, and 20 ohms. So let's do that. At first, I need to flip this shape because the symbol is down here. So go to position and rotate shape. Same thing for this position, rotate shape. Yeah. So double click, and then we have a 2. Now we need to insert the ohm symbol where it is. Yeah, symbol. So here is the home symbol. Then just click on it, so it's already there. So we have 2. Let's just give it a bigger font. I think 18 should be okay. And let's just copy this home symbol. Let's come here, 18. Then we want what's this, 4 ohms. Down here also 18, 10 ohms, and here let's increase it to also 18 and 20 ohms. Now for the battery, let's also give it 18. How many volts is it? 20 volts. 20 volts. The AC circuit, so let us flip it. It's inside the circuit, we want it to be outside. It's 4 arm. Nice. It's a bigger font. Yeah. So you can see what we have here. So the next thing for us to do is just for us to link all this shape, and there's a tool that they call connector tool. But before that, we can see from this there's a positive polarity and a negative polarity in this current source, which is going to tell us which direction it is the current will be flowing. So let us do that. Let's put a positive polarity up here and a negative polarity down here. Yeah, so know that the current is flowing upward. So now let's do the next thing by linking all of them together. So we have the connector, this connector here. So we just click on the connector file and then start from this point, click and drag to the next point so to connect it. So you click and drag to the next point to connect it. So we just want to keep connecting every positive things together. So let's just do the connectivity. Yeah, the next one, yeah, let's just do connectivity. Bring it down. So basically, all I'm just doing is just using this connector to connect every together. And this, let's just go back to the pointer tool and name this, give it, let's just remove it because there's nothing here. It's just its ground symbol. So let me delete this. What's going on? We're having troubles with this. Yeah, I think this one is okay. So now this one now, please work. Yeah, nice. So now we can see that this the connector line that represent the wires are not that thick as the um image itself. So what we need to do is just highlight everything. We just give it a thick line. Come here, go to weight, and just give it a thick line. Yeah, this is nice. So comparing it to what we have here, it's actually a nice diagram. So that's how we go about making circuit diagram using Microsoft Visio. So I hope you understand the concept behind it. Thank you for listening. Do have a nice day.